Hi, my name is Sofia Hassander, and I'm an immigration attorney with Grossman, Young & Hammond in Washington, D.C. And this is a video about visa revalidation. If you are an H or an L1 visa holder in the United States, or perhaps you manage people on H and L visa status, you may have heard talks about a new program from the State Department that will let you renew your visa stamp in your passport without leaving the country. This is a short video explaining what this means and what is known so far about this program. First, I want to address the difference between the visa status and the visa stamp in the passport. An approved H-1B or L-1 visa petition will give the foreign national the opportunity to live and work in the United States under the condition described in the petition and for the validity that it was approved for. But if you would like to travel and leave the country and come back again, it's required to have a visa stamp in your passport from a consulate or an embassy abroad. The visa stamp will give you the right to knock on the door, so to say, to ask to be let in the status that you like. Previously, it was possible to renew the visa stamp without leaving the country, but since 2004, it has been required to travel outside the country to get the visa stamp renewed. For some visa holders, especially if you're from a country with long waits at the consulate, this has created a lot of problems, and it got a lot worse during COVID, which caused huge backlogs at consulates and embassies abroad. And we have seen clients who've been prevented to travel for work, but also for important personal events such as weddings or to see elderly and sick relatives abroad. So on June 22nd, the White House announced that they're aiming to bring back stateside visa renewal. This is fantastic news, and we're happy for our clients because it's not only going to make it more convenient to renew your visa stamp, but this will also help with reducing the backlogs at consulates and embassies worldwide. So what do we know so far? At this time, there's very little information available about this program. At the American Immigration Lawyers Association's annual meeting recently, the State Department did confirm that the program is in fact in the works, it's on the way, and it's expected to start towards the end of this year. Initially, it will only be available for select H and L visa holders, and the full rollout and possibly adding of other non-immigrant categories is expected for 2024. Grossman, Young & Hammond will continue to monitor this topic, so sign up for our newsletter or follow us and you will receive updates. Thank you for watching.